Hello, supply chain professionals. It's Mike here with Riteload.com, and I've got some news that's going to blow you away. If you're in transportation, procurement, supply-demand planning, or any facet of the industry, you cannot afford to miss what I'm about to say. And the head bean counters for your company, I'm positive they'll appreciate everything we're about to discuss as well. Remember this name, Riteload. Okay, Mike, you have my attention. Exactly who or what is Riteload? Well, Riteload is the transportation industry's leading tech platform that connects carriers to shippers directly without brokers taking massive dollars out of every shipment. That's interesting. Can you tell us more? Absolutely. Here's an all-important note. We are a digital marketplace, not a digital broker. We go way beyond what a broker can do for you. Sure, some brokers have provided a useful service in the past, but this is the 21st century, and shippers need more to stay ahead of the game. At Riteload, we've built the latest technology and telematics to automate all of the services that a freight broker provides, but we give you more, a lot more, including direct connectivity to your freight. This efficiency gain keeps more dollars in your pocket immediately. And Riteload lets you tap into the spot market in real time, so you don't need an annual contract with carriers. But there's more. Riteload offers you the most advanced tracking and tracing technology and instant proof of delivery in real time upon delivery. And paying the carriers is a breeze with our industry-first, fully automated, 0% interest credit line for our approved shippers. I'm telling you, Riteload is the perfect complement to your current TMS program. And if you don't have one, our robust platform can stand alone as a new type of TMS, one that manages your carrier base and your spend for every shipment. This sounds too good to be true, Mike. Is this for real? It's for real, all right, and it gets even better. Riteload offers you a direct line to the same thousands of carriers the brokers use. We screen all carriers before they're given access to the platform, and they must have appropriate insurance, safety rating, active authority, and financial viability to access any shipments that you tender on Riteload. Okay, Mike, but what if I have special requirements for my loads? No problem. Riteload lets you customize those types of loads so you can be as selective as you want and establish your own criteria. Something that really sets Riteload apart is that we know our carriers' power lanes and where they have critical mass and lane density. When you tender to Riteload, we instantly alert all of our carriers who have a need for that shipment. Because there are no brokers allowed on our platform, the odds are that you'll have multiple carriers request your posted loads. Offering even more accuracy, you can even set parameters to automatically tender based on certain carrier criteria, or you can select your carriers manually. Need some extra help managing the process? Our white glove service gives you access to our highly experienced operations team members to help you every step of the way. This all sounds great, Mike, but give me the nuts and bolts of how it works. Sure. First, you decide how you want to tender your shipment to Riteload. You can input the load directly into the platform, or you can have your TMS auto-tender to us via EDI or API. You can also simply send us the load, and our white glove team will handle it for you. Did I mention how amazing our white glove service is? Now, once your load is in the system, it immediately becomes visible to our huge network of pre-vetted carriers. Now, please note, at this point, the carrier only sees the load details, not your company name or street address. Your contact information is only visible after the carrier has signed and accepted the rate confirmation from you. This ensures your time is not wasted with a barrage of phone calls from hundreds of carriers. Then, based on your load's origin and destination, Riteload instantly sends direct messages to our carriers who have requested shipments in aligning lanes to offer a critical mass in the area that matches your load. Multiple carriers can then request a shipment, and you can simply choose the carrier who's the best match. So in minutes, you've posted, connected, and contracted with a carrier that you would prefer to haul your freight. By the way, we offer a 5-star carrier rating system based on their actual performance with other shippers on Riteload. So you can look at the carrier's rating to help you make your decision. When you decide, you simply select a carrier with a click of a button or set the parameters and let the system do it for you. Now the truck's en route, and at 15 miles away from the pickup address, you'll receive a notification of each truck's status. This is a customizable feature that you can control based on your preferences. Think of the efficiency increases your company will experience by simply knowing each truck's exact arrival time. Once the shipment is loaded and rolling, real-time progress updates every 60 seconds are reflected on your mapping screen for each truck. And with direct visibility and communication with each driver at your fingertips, Riteload has completely removed the unknowns, and our customers love this connectivity. So now the truck reaches my customer's delivery location, and then what happens, Mike? This part you're really gonna love. When your product is delivered and unloaded, the receiver signs the driver's smartphone with their finger, acknowledging that the load has been received with or without OS&D. Bam! Instant proof of delivery. Then the driver uploads the BOL images through our mobile app and gives you a crystal clear, legible, signed bill of lading, and you can access it instantly from your account. This all can happen before the driver leaves the delivery address. If there is an OS&D issue at delivery, our white glove team can work with you and the carrier to resolve it quickly. After everything is completed, you simply take a second to rate the carrier's performance, authorize the carrier's payment, and you're done. You have just increased your productivity, reduced your costs, received a much better service, and managed the entire process with a lot less headaches. Well, that's amazing, Mike, but you can't really mean what you said about a 0% credit line, right? I definitely mean it. Let's say the carrier has made the delivery. After uploading the BOL, they have fulfilled their contract for delivery. You'll receive a payment approval request, and upon your authorization, the Riteload system will initiate an ACH payment to the carrier, offering a 48-hour or less quick pay option. The payment is charged to your predetermined 0% interest credit line, which means your accounting department gets a huge break. They no longer have to send checks to pay numerous carriers or brokers or try to track down the BOL to bill your customers. Just one monthly payment is paid on the terms, and woohoo! The accounting nightmare of working with multiple carriers is finished forever. Riteload is the only ultra-streamlined system that gives you the opportunity to easily connect, manage, and pay thousands of new qualified carriers, but also allows you to import your existing carrier base to manage, track, and pay them, and it's all on one platform. Alright, Mike, you have me sold on Riteload's incredible platform and amazing value adds. Let's get down to brass tacks. How much is this going to cost my company? Absolutely nothing. You pay nothing for all the services I just mentioned. Riteload is funded by a flat connection fee of just $27 that each carrier pays per contracted load instead of paying monthly access charges for other systems along with insane broker fees. Riteload sounds like something we need to sign up for, Mike. How do we do that? You simply go to Riteload.com and click on the Shipper Sign Up button. It takes about 4 minutes to fill out the application and is 100% zero cost, zero risk opportunity to be a part of tomorrow's transportation operations today. If you have more questions, you can contact us by email at info@myriteload.com or by phone at 833-FREIGHT-LOAD. That's 833-FR8-LOAD. Thanks for spending this time with me, and remember, Riteload.com, logistics reimagined.